Has someone been a little rough with your doorbell lately? Hi, I'm Dakota Shafer with Structure Real Estate Group in Colorado Springs, and today I want to show you how to change out your doorbell button. This is one of the most simple tasks that you can do electrically, and there's no need to hire it out. Okay, the first step just takes a screwdriver, and we're just going to remove the old doorbell. So the next step is to remove the wires from the old doorbell. Now this one is a low volt system. These small wires indicate that. So there's nothing to unhook in order to do this, or a breaker to trip. If you have 110 wires or bigger wires than these, you need to find the breaker and shut this off because you can shock yourself. But with the low volt, you're in no danger of shocking yourself. So we're just going to undo these two right here. So the next step is to test whether it's the doorbell button that needs to be replaced or the chime. And to do that, you just want to take the two wires and touch them together. And if the doorbell rings, you're just ready to replace the button. If the doorbell doesn't ring, then you need to replace the chime, which we'll cover in another episode. So now we're ready to install the new doorbell. And it's very simple. There's two screws on the back of it. The red wire will go to one and the white wire goes to the other. And so we'll hook those up now. Make a little bit of a hook in your wire and just hook it behind the screw and then tighten it down. And then the same thing for the other side. And then go ahead and test it. It's working just fine. And then we'll mount it to the side of the house. And now we're all done. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to hit the contact button on our page or call the number on the screen. And we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel for more homeowner maintenance tips.